welcome back to the garage. Hope you all are having a good day. I'm having a great day. We got to work on the Camaro today. So the Camaro, it's all good and sad except for the fact it's now leaking brake fluid. Put a brand new master cylinder and vacuum booster on this guy, proportionally valve, whole new setup there, and fix the parking brake, all that. So it's all good, but now it's leaking brake fluid. Now it could be something as simple I might have messed up and forgot to tighten up a brake bleeder a little bit too much, because this car hasn't really seen a whole lot of miles since I last did that. And right now, it is actually still got fluid in it. Let's, come on. There we go. So it's got fluid in there, but it is definitely low in the rear. These guys were completely topped off before. So it's not leaking a ton. But it's leaking. So, something we gotta deal with. I gotta make sure this car is running good, because I'm about to start pulling apart the actual chassis for the F100 over there. The body is going to be coming on top of the chassis really soon. I'm going to need you to be the eyes, because I can't see underneath the car while I press the brake pedal, so that's what you guys are going to do for me. Appreciate the help. Thanks. You guys looking at? Look at the floor here. A little higher. There we go. I'm thinking the problem is this fitting right there. It looks kind of corroded already, so I haven't pulled it apart or anything, but I need you all to keep an eye on that for me while I hop in the car real quick, press the brake pedal a few times, and let me know what happens. You see anything? Looks dry to me. I don't see any puddles down here. Here we go. See, it's definitely corrody. I don't see any leaks down here. Everything's fine. It's weird. Oh, wait a minute. I see fluid now on the other tire over there. It was a... But it... Oh wait, if it was backed in before, it makes sense over there. I'm so confused. D. It's a little wet. No, that feels like water more than anything. Let's go check the front. I don't see any puddles up here. I don't see diddly. We saw a little bit of fluid there, but that's not where I expected it. So let's top off the brake fluid and go around the block and see if it still has issues. I don't know. So far she drives good, but the small problem is the O2 sensor went bad on the sniper kit on this car. So I actually realized I never drove it around to give it a full relearn with this guy, which is kind of a problem. So it's kind of running pretty bad, but the brakes work fantastic. They're working good. I have no idea where the extra fluid came from whatsoever, but it's working and driving. Camaro decided to be a self-healing vehicle, because I know there was brake fluid under it and now there's no problems with it whatsoever, so I guess that's good, but also really annoying. By the way, let's go to work on F100, because since I'm pulling it apart soon, I want to have some fun with it before we do that. You guys never used one of these jumpstart packs before? I love these things. They work phenomenal. And when you're working by yourself, like I generally do, it's always a thing. Go on, yep. Alright. Now let's go fire this guy up. Doing something now. Okay, boost baby. All right, now let's see if she does anything. Guess we're gonna have to bust out the big boy tools for this. All right, cheap charger for the win. 63-second countdown. I don't know why this thing has a countdown, but it does, so that's what we're going with. So in a minute. Noted, I got to stall you all for 1 minute before we can start this. So what are we going to talk about? Should you get into the trades? Yes, you should. Trades are freaking awesome. They allow you to do everything. And you'll never be without a job, because there's always work in the trades, because nobody wants to do that job. That's a whole different video we need to talk about in the future date. 32 seconds. Alright, let's go to the pole position and see. I don't know if there's gas in this thing. I don't remember how I parked it. I found the gas cap off a few times. You know, all kind of problems for when we're doing stuff like this. Don't be any bugs or spiders in here, please. We'll scream like, oh, the girl. Gas, 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 gas. Oh, shoot, took the key out again. Dang it. Nothing. Okay, I think we might have bigger problems. Ready to start. I tried, it didn't do anything. Okay, fine. Let's go ahead and go smart charge. News, and there's bad news. Which one do you want first? Bad news? Good. Okay. Well, bad news is the battery is dead. My Black & Decker smart charger over here, which, to be honest, don't ever buy a smart charger. Just buy a regular dumb charger. They work so much better. And I actually have one, but unfortunately, it's on loan to a guy down the street who's working on a pretty cool charger project. So he's using that, so I had to use my smart charger. It's fine. That's the problem. The good news is I have another size 6.5 battery, which came out of the Mercury here that I just happen to keep. So now I'm charging that so we can get this battery out, so we can put that battery in here and hopefully fire it up. If that doesn't work, then we're gonna get the hammer, because that's how we fix old cars, is with hammers. Mistake they made here is they put an autocrat battery, not a diehard battery. That's right, Sears all the way. Sears even still around? I don't even know. This battery hold down situation is the strangest thing I've ever seen. Okay, you come out. Okay, so noted, for the future of this build, I'm gonna have to get a new battery hold down system, because not okay. No, you're a metric? They're metric clamps. How dare you, whoever owned this before me, putting metric parts on this American vehicle. Okay, for attempt number 33 and the third, let's see if she starts. Oh, put the right key in, Mike. Give me something. Hey, there we go. Woohoo! Didn't need to get the hammer. All right, old school. Gas, 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 gas. Oh yeah, probably choke. This is how old school cars are started. You gotta do a little dance. Gotta dance with her a little bit. Gotta get her warmed up before she's ready to go. A little foreplay. Hey, woohoo! Fire it up. I was not actually expecting it to start that easy. Yeah, wow, I am very surprised. Oh, come on. Choke, choke. Ah! That's why I don't like carburetors. Gas, 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 gas. Come on, idle. Idle. Look at all that oil pressure. I don't know how accurate that is, but hey. I don't think this cluster actually works at all. I have no idea. I don't remember. You know, actually, I think the speedo did work. I'm not 100% sure. I've forgotten. You gonna idle? You gonna play nice? Nope. That's why I don't own nice things. All right. Gotta play with the right little bits to keep her running. yeah. That's the stuff. I forget how good she sounded. I don't know why she sounds so good, because the exhaust is pretty bad. Nothing but old school Ford. This sounds so good. She sounds so good, I forgot. Look, whoever owned this truck before me did a lot of old school hot roddy trick to this thing. And I'm not gonna lie, they did a good job. They did a really good job. Paint job, a little lackluster, but hey, you gotta start somewhere. But the exhaust note, the cam, a few things are a little questionable that they did for like some of the shims for the power steering pump, but hey, it works, so it's not really stupid if it worked, right? But the feel, the look, the sound of the truck, they nailed it. Did a fabulous job. So if you're the one that owned this truck before me, comment below. I want to actually talk with you. I'm interested. Reach out to me in my email. I'll put it down below for you. Because this thing is so good. I kind of feel bad shooting it up because the old school was kind of fun, but I want to go racing. So, well, that's not what I expected at all for this guy. So let's recap. Camaro is running, driving, and stopping. Doesn't run very well right now because the EFI setup. The brakes are apparently self-healing because I can't find a problem there, so I'm gonna call it half broken. F100 didn't run. Now she runs with minor amount of work, but now she has a knock because the engine is deciding to destroy itself. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's end up there. Till next time. Peace. Go work on your own cars.